AI is making people rich in 2025. Most people still don't realize how easy it is. Today I'll show you 5 tools that need zero advanced skills. If you can, copy, paste, and click, you can start today. Imagine turning 1 hour into work that looks like you hired a team. I've used these to draft scripts, design thumbnails, repurpose videos, and automate busy work, all in a single afternoon. I'll give you a simple 10-minute plan for each tool so you can try it tonight. Tool 1. ChatGPT or any top chatbot. Use it for instant writing, outlines, emails, product descriptions, captions, 10-minute plan, paste a goal, paste your audience, paste 3 samples you like, ask for a draft, make it shorter and punchier, add 3 hooks, earn angle, offer 24-hour blog posts, sales email packs on Fiverr or Upwork, or use it to script your own content. Tool 2. Perplexity for research that cites sources. It finds answers with links you can trust. 10-minute plan. Summarize the top 5 trends in niche with citations and action steps. Save the sources. Turn it into a post, a thread, or a script. Earn angle. Niche newsletters. Quick reports for clients. SEO briefs you can deliver the same day. Tool 3. Canva Magic Studio for design. Thumbnails, logos, carousels, presentations. No designer needed. 10-minute plan. Choose a template. Click Magic Design. Paste your text. Use Magic Edit or Background Remover. Export in platform sizes. Earn angle. Sell thumbnail refreshes, brand kits or social packs, or create and sell digital products and printables. Tool 4. Opus Clip for short-form video. Drop in a Zoom call, a podcast, or a webinar. It auto-cuts into viral-style clips with captions and hooks. 10-minute plan. Upload a 20-minute video. Select viral highlights. Export 3 to 5 clips. Post daily. Earn angle. Repurpose content for creators and coaches. Or grow your own channel with zero extra recording. Tool 5. Zapier with AI. Your no-code assistant. Connect apps so repetitive work runs itself. 10-minute plan. When a form is submitted, draft a personalized reply with AI. Send it via Gmail. Add to Notion. Ping Slack. Turn it on. Earn angle. Sell automation in a day packages for small businesses. How to stack them in 30 minutes a day? Monday, Perplexity research. Tuesday, ChatGPT script. Wednesday, Canva visuals. Thursday, record 1 take. Opus makes clips. Friday, Zapier automates replies and publishing. If you want to stay ahead in 2025, stop scrolling and start stacking. Pick one tool, give it 10 minutes, and ship something today. I'll link beginner templates and prompts below. Steal them, tweak them, and press publish. Smarter decisions in business, money, and life. That's Mind Ocean. I'll see you in the next one.